Hey folks, so we just wrapped up the first tournament of the year out here on Lake Sharpe, and one thing I hear a lot about is, I hear saugeyes used a lot. That terminology used, you know, the sauger and walleye are very closely related. So today I actually want to show you a couple case studies here. So here's a couple fish we caught today. This right here, classic walleye. You can tell it's got that white tip tail, and you can also tell this black mark right here at the back of the dorsal fins. Also, it's going to lack any saddle marks. So right here is your classic walleye. This here's a nice 18-inch female. She weighed out about 2 pounds. Now this right here, this is more what you would consider a saugeye, and what this is walleyes and saugers will occasionally interbreed sometimes, in which case the fish will show more of the characteristics of what that mother is going to be. So in this case, this fish likely had a sauger mother. So here you can kind of see that. You can see it's got this white tip tail, but it's also got that line. So saugers have more of a line as opposed to that pronounced white tip. And the big thing is these dorsal fins right here. So you see a lot more spotting along this dorsal fin, but you will still see a little bit of that black tip tail. That's a great way to tell saugers apart, is you'll see spotting along the dorsal and you'll see a long line. And here you can see this fish does actually have some saddle marks as you look at it. So this here, if you truly want to talk about your saugeyes, this would probably be the perfect example. But really what those fish are is just walleye sauger. They're very closely related, and sometimes when we are here on the Missouri River where there's good populations of both, you'll get fish that look like this. And in reality, this is probably, like I said, they'll show more characteristics of the mother, but then as that breeding line continues down, it'll be pretty impossible to tell what those species are just as they continue to breed down the line. So just one thing I like to talk about here, and hope you all have a great day. Thank you. Good fishing.